Serpentine mode can be used to create a track of a fixed length. Here we have an example of this track, which is currently 948 thou, and we've set a limit of 1300 to 1350. Selecting Serpentine selected tracks, we have the values that come up and we want to obey the length rules. And it's automatically inserted. Here I show the Serpentine mode as applied to a differential pair. As you will see, the skew of the pair is large compared to the actual rule. So the basic principle is select a piece of track that's the shortest length of the pair, then select the Serpentine mode. I've ignored the settings, they're already preset. The head-up display shows the actual skew as you move around, and as you can see there is a setting that is quite good. Clicking on that, using escape to exit the mode, the track's done. The difference is really good.